G'day, Mac Daddy, Camper Trailering. In this video we travel about 15 kilometres from Khancoban to the Geehi area. The campground we are visiting is Behrs Flat Campground, which is alongside the Swampy Plain River, accessed by a gravel road off the scenic Alpine Way. In this campground is Keebles Hut. We set up our campers just off the western edge of the Behrs Flat Campground, overlooking Swampy Plain River. From here we were able to take in the views of the Western Range and Alpine peaks. Whilst in the area, we suggest you check out Keebles Hut. You can go swimming, hiking or fishing. Fire up your barbecue or campfire and chill. Prepare to be invaded by the various species of ducks. The eastern grey kangaroos will check you out. Wombats and platypi are also resident in this area. The campsite must be booked. Okay, so now for the fees. A booking fee of $6 applies. There are no campsite fees. Between the June long weekend and the October long weekend in New South Wales, the Kosciuszko National Park fee per vehicle per day is $29. For the rest of the year, the entry fee for the vehicle per day is $17. That is, unless you have an annual pass, concession pass, Australian pensioners, or a DVA Gold Card. For more information, please see the New South Wales National Parks website. The Behrs Flat Campground has a new toilet, but it is the only one in the Behrs Flat Campground, and this campground covers quite some distance. Later on in this video, we'll take a drive down along the Swampy Plain River so you can gauge just how big this campground is. If you want more of this type of content, please subscribe and put comments in the sections below.